finally made it to Manali.
This vlog is about day 1 itinerary of Manali.
So excited for today. It's not so cold as I expected. In the bus while seeing the snow mountains, I just melted away. I melted away by seeing the snow mountains. Hotel where we are going to stay for next 3 days with the awesome view, mountains covered with snow completely. Hope we get the top floor so that we can see the view from the balcony. As our room is in the 3rd floor, we can see almost the view of Manali. As just we saw that there is Jogini Falls behind us. There, if you can look it by zooming the camera, you can see. And if you don't mind, can you please go? So behind me is the snow-capped mountains, and even this part also there is snow-capped mountains. Actually, a month before, if you would have come, the entire mountains would be covered with snow. So I don't know, I wore this outfit for the snow. How cold it will be outside, we need to see. So firstly we'll be going to Harimba Devi temple, that is nearby to our stay, which we are staying right now. And then we'll be proceeding to the Van Vihar, and if possible we'll be covering the Manu temple also. Evenings possibly we'll be going to see the Mall Road, the famous Mall Road of Manali, where you can do shoppings and so many stuffs available. The famous brownie of Pahad, that will be available there, and so many other stuffs also. So let's go and explore what and all we can see, find and catch, buy stuffs in the Mall Road. For the budget also, with the views. So if you are planning towards this side to stay in Manali, you can opt for this option of Manali Lodge. Actually the plan was to reach around 8:30 to the hotel, but due to the delay of the bus we got late. That is to the Harimba Devi, that is on the first place of our list. So we'll be going to see our car as we came, and the hotel. In taste, I believe. Hill stations have this kind of food as a staple food, like how we have idli in our South India. temple without knowing who Hidimba Devi is. So, have you visited Hidimba Devi temple? That is right behind me. If you have visited, do you know who is Hidimba Devi? So, Hidimba Devi is basically the wife of Bhima. Bhima is in the Mahabharata. Mahabharata is spread across entire India. In this particular place, Bhima has meditated, has done penance in between this Deodar forest actually. It's also called as Hidimba forest. And Hidimba, being his wife, has pivotal role in helping Bhima and this village people. So these village people is been praying this god, that is Hidimba Devi god, since then. And this temple was been constructed in the year around 1533 by Rajshekhar Bahadur. So this is the significance of this temple, who Hidimba Devi is basically, and where is this located? Exactly in Manali, a very famous temple of Manali. Manali dress that I'm wearing right now. So this red color with this neck chains and all earrings, this is very new to me. I've never been in this kind of outfits before, but I always wanted to wear this kind of outfits, that too in between the mountains. Yeah, however I'm looking good or bad, but I'm happy. And even I holded the rabbit in my hand, that Himalayan rabbit. So the charges is quite affordable only. They charge 100 rupees for the outfit and 50 for the rabbit. So total 150. We can take photo, video with this and all. Yeah, this is kind of good. Behind me is the Hidimba Devi temple. So this proves that girls at any temperature can survive with any kind of clothes. So it's so chill right now, and look at me. So there is this one more place near to the mall road of the Manali, that is Van Vihar. People who are interested like having kids, basically Van Vihar is having a park kind of, where children's playing area is there and a small pool. After visiting the Van Vihar, there is a Tibetan market. While you enter, you do some shopping and all, where I purchased this jacket which you are seeing right now. After that, have some laughings, because all the way there are laughing stalls, and then come to this Tibetan monastery. So we do this. Inside our mind we have some wish or thought that we want to fulfill. We just think about that, say Om Mani Padme Hum, and turn these wheels. Turn, 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 turn. What's my wish? That you guys should watch my videos. You should get more reach, and I should travel more.